It's crazy this apartment was so cheap, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good price. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, 15 minutes before the movie starts, so we should probably get out of here.
Let me get my jacket.
What's up, little guy?
What's wrong?
Has your cat always made that noise when you pet him?
What noise?
I was just petting him and he started to like
Purr?
Moan.
No, I think...
Dude, watch.
See? Just purr.
Yeah.
Purring.
Now he's purring, so I guess I look crazy.
Let
Doesn't
me
matter.
get my wallet. I
Okay.
for that.
Dude, I started to pet it more and it was even louder than the first time. I swear on my mother's life that your cat sounds like a porn star.
What? Have you heard a cat purr before?
Yeah, of course I have. I don't know. Doesn't matter. The movie's starting. Let's just get out of here.
Sure. Oh, my keys.
I want to get this on tape. Yeah, get it.
What?
Get it.
What are you doing? Step away from the cat.
Dude, I got it on video this time.
I don't know.
Dude, look. Just look.
There's nothing there.
It's gone.
You know what? Maybe we should do the movie some other time. I don't think tonight would be good to go out. You should go get some rest or something.
Alright, another day then.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for coming. Hey, Phoebe. Are you okay?